Guys, I want to show you today how to plug a tire, okay? So you got your slime kit. This right here was inside of my tire, okay? So, I believe, you hop out of the shadow, it was in there. So what we want to do is we want to put this in here, and you want to ream the hole out, okay? I would really recommend carrying a slime kit with you. This is a pretty big, heavy-duty tire, and the reamer is really thick, so it might be a little hard. This is a small nail. Okay, you're supposed to be able to go up, in and out, like that, okay? Give me a second here. So you just kind of do that. I'd also recommend carrying at least, Ellie, how are you guys doing? 1 can of Fix-A-Flat. Okay? Maybe more. So, I think this is a BF Goodrich tire. Pretty cool tire. Okay. If you have glue, you might even want to put it on there, whatever. Let's see if I got the hole good enough. I mean, it was like a tiny little thing here. Okay. So you want to put it in about 2/3 the way in, and then you want to pull it out, and you don't want to twist it when you do it. It can be a little difficult to put this in, but here we go. But I did get it through, so pull it back a little bit, buddy. All right. Push this 2/3 the way in. All right, see that? About 2/3 the way in. Now I gotta pull it out. I need to just pull it straight out, not twist it. You guys ready? So here goes. All right, then trim the excess. So, you're not really supposed to cut toward you. Just kind of trim it. You know, here we go. Trim it, trim it, trim it, and I think you're supposed to go get your tire professionally repaired, but I've probably driven around with a patch in mine before. So, there's that. And then, if you lost a bunch of air out of your tire, it doesn't really help you if you're on the side of the road and you got that fixed and you don't have air or an air compressor. If you have a big tire like this, you might want several cans of this stuff. But anyways guys, that is how to patch tire with the slime kit. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you.